Roma Termini is the heart of Rome's transportation network. It's also known as the Stazione di Roma Termini. It is a main railway station in Rome. It is located in the heart of the city and serves as a major transportation hub for both tourists and locals alike. In fact, it is estimated that over 500,000 people pass through the terminale each day, making it one of the busiest train stations in Europe. Roma Termini was originally built in 1867 by Pope Pius IX as a connection point for Rome's northern and southern railways. However, due to rapid growth and expansion, the original station was demolished and replaced with the current terminal in 1938. It was designed by renowned architect Angelo Mazzoni and is considered a prime example of fascist architecture. Rome Termini offers a wide range of facilities and services to make traveling through the station as convenient as possible. These include numerous shops, restaurants, cafes, and even a movie theater. For those in need of current exchange or ATM services, there is multiple banks and currency exchange offices located within the station. Additionally, Terminali has a tourist information center to assist visitors with any questions or concerns that they may have. is not just a transportation hub, but it's also a shopping and dining destination. The station features numerous shops, including clothing stores, bookstores, and souvenir shops. There's also a variety of restaurants and cafes to choose from, making it a convenient place to grab a bite to eat or do some shopping while waiting for your next train. In addition, Terminali is home to the Leonardo Express, the direct train that runs between Terminali and Rome's Fiumicino Airport. That's Leonardo da Vinci. This makes it easy for travelers to access the airport and catch their flights. So the Rome terminal has 2 stories. Actually, it's got 3. It's got a mall on the basement, a mall on the main floor, and then on the second story, which would be the 3rd floor, is a cafeteria and waiting room for your trains. Now, on the basement level, they have a little grocery store. And just so you know, you don't want a bunch of sirens going off. Apparently, you have to scan your receipt on the way out to get out. So, and then self-checkout's not very convenient. So I had to wait about 3 minutes for somebody to come help me because it detected something other than the 4 bottles of water I bought. So. So if you come to the subway or the metro floor, which is 2 floors below the main floor, you can buy tickets for the subway. They're like $3.50 each, or you can get a 24-hour pass for $7. You can get a 5-use pass within 100 minutes for $7.50. So the best deal is to get the €7 for the entire 24 hours. So if while you're in Rome you want to go to Venice or Naples, you can actually get a train to there and several other places from the Roma Termini. So it's $87 or euros for a round trip from Rome to Venice, leaving one day, coming back a different day, leaving at 8 in the morning, get there at like 1 in the afternoon. It's a little bit over a 4-hour train ride. There's one stop and it takes you right into Venice, which is pretty cool because then you don't have to worry about catching the ferry if you got onto the land side. And if you're going to spend a day in Venice, I recommend you spend 2. That way you can go to Verona and Murano one day and get Venice the next. If you got 3 days, you can go to Lido also. That's a pretty cool place.